Have you ever wondered how a coconut gets its water? It's quite the puzzle, isn't it? Just imagine the humble coconut hanging high up in a palm tree filled to the brim with refreshing water. But how does it get there? In the astounding world of nature, there are many processes that captivate our curiosity, and the story of the coconut's water is indeed one of them. It's a tale that intricately weaves together the coconut's life cycle and its symbiotic relationship with the environment. Coconut water, you see, is not just a delicious drink or a trendy health fad. It plays a pivotal role in the life cycle of the coconut, nourishing the seedling as it prepares to sprout into a towering palm. It's an incredible process, one that showcases the miraculous mechanisms of Mother Nature. So buckle up, fellow nature enthusiasts. Get ready to unravel the mystery of how a coconut gets its water. To understand how a coconut gets its water, we must first delve into the life cycle of a coconut. Our journey begins with a mature coconut falling from the tree. This fallen fruit is not just a potential treat for a passerby, but also a seed, ready to start a new life. As it lies on the ground, the hard, woody shell protects the embryo inside from harsh weather conditions and potential predators. After a few months, if the conditions are right, the coconut germinates. This is where the magic begins. The embryo starts absorbing the water around it, which is stored in the fruit as a sweet, nutritious liquid we know as coconut water. This water, enriched with sugars and minerals, provides the nourishment needed for the growth of the seedling. As the seedling grows, it pushes out a shoot from one of the coconut's 3 eyes, while the roots begin to extend into the ground. This is a crucial stage in the life cycle of the coconut, as the roots start to draw water and nutrients from the soil, allowing the young plant to stand on its own. As the coconut palm matures, it starts to produce flowers. These flowers, once pollinated, will gradually develop into young green coconuts. At this stage, the coconut is full of water, which is slightly fizzy and very refreshing. Over time, the water inside the coconut begins to solidify, forming the white, fleshy part of the coconut that we're all familiar with. This transformation process is part of the maturation stage. As the coconut matures, the volume of water decreases, while the coconut meat thickens. Finally, when the coconut is fully mature, it's ready to drop from the tree and start the cycle all over again. This cyclical journey of the coconut from a fallen seed to a mature fruit is a testament to nature's ingenuity. It is through this cycle that the coconut is able to store water, making it a self-sufficient unit capable of surviving in harsh conditions. Now that we understand the life cycle of a coconut, we can dive into how it gets its water. The coconut palm has an intricate relationship with its environment. Thriving in tropical climates around the globe, these palms bask in the warmth of the sun, the humidity, and the high rainfall typical of these regions. The coconut palm, like a well-versed sailor, navigates these tropical waters with finesse. Now let's talk about the rainfall. It's not just the frequency of rain showers that matters, but also their intensity. Coconut palms need a significant amount of water, and these tropical deluges provide just that. But how does the coconut palm drink up all this water? Well, it's all down to the roots. The roots of the coconut palm act like straws, sipping up water from the saturated ground. They draw this moisture up into the trunk and into the developing fruits, contributing to the formation of that refreshing coconut water we all know and love. The coconut palm's ability to absorb water is vital to the formation of coconut water. Now we arrive at the heart of the matter, the formation of coconut water. The process behind this natural beverage's creation is as intriguing as it is ingenious. Absorbing water from the soil, the coconut palm tree begins the journey of a droplet that will eventually bring us the refreshing coconut water. But how does this happen, you ask? Well, let's dive in. As the coconut begins to mature, the tree pumps water from the ground up its trunk and into the developing fruit. The tree's roots act as straws, sipping up water from the soil, a process known as capillary action. This water, now in the tree, is rich in minerals and nutrients, a cocktail of life-giving goodness straight from Mother Earth. Meanwhile, the coconut palm is also hard at work. It's producing sugars through a process called photosynthesis. Yes, the same process you learned about in school, where plants convert sunlight into energy. This energy in the form of sugars is the other key ingredient in the making of coconut water. So we have our water and our sugars, now what? As the coconut matures, these two ingredients begin to mix inside the fruit. This magical mix of water and sugars forms the clear, sweet liquid we know as coconut water. The water inside the coconut is under some pressure, which helps to keep it sterile until the coconut is opened. During the maturation process, the coconut water also starts to solidify, forming the white fleshy part of the coconut known as the meat. But that's a story for another time. The journey of the droplet does not end here. Once the coconut falls from the tree, it can begin a new life cycle, potentially sprouting into a new coconut palm, ready to start the process all over again. And there you have it, the journey of a droplet from the soil to the coconut. Coconut water is not just a refreshing drink, but a crucial part of the coconut's life. This clear, sweet liquid plays a pivotal role in the coconut's germination process. It provides the necessary nutrients for the seedling to sprout and helps sustain its growth until the young plant can photosynthesize and draw nutrition from the soil. It's a survival kit, packed within an impenetrable shell, ready for the seedling's journey to maturity. But the wonders of coconut water don't stop there. This natural beverage is a treasure trove of nutritional benefits for us humans too. It's rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and electrolytes, making it an excellent hydrator. It's low in calories and cholesterol-free, lending to its popularity among fitness enthusiasts. So the next time you sip on coconut water, remember the fascinating journey it's been on. From nurturing a budding coconut plant to nourishing your body, it truly is a marvel of nature. Today, we've taken a journey from the soil to the coconut. We've explored the fascinating life cycle of the coconut, from its humble beginnings as a seed, nestled in the welcoming bosom of the earth, to its maturity as a fully grown, water-filled wonder. It's a journey that spans months, filled with the tireless toil of growth and development, all to produce the miracle that is the coconut. We've delved into the intricate relationship between the coconut and its environment, understanding how it thrives in the tropical climates, and how its unique biology allows it to absorb and store water, creating the refreshing drink we all know and love. We've also shed light on the formation of coconut water, a process as complex as it is fascinating, involving the absorption of rainwater and nutrients from the soil, and the transformation of these elements into the sweet hydrating fluid. And that's how a coconut gets its water, a testament to the wonders of nature.